I want to start showing you what Vicena version 3 is with these beautiful set of fractals, all generated with Vicena by Vicena in a Jupyter notebook. Because in version 3, we have a much better interaction with Jupyter notebooks, more reliable, more interactive, more agentic, and here I asked it to create more beautiful and very stunning fractals. I can ask it, can you add some stunning 3D fractals? While this is working, let's go somewhere and come back to show you other ways that Vicena can help you do your research. Let's go to Vicena. Let me walk you through this fast AI for chemistry, stronger, better, and with 3 main tools. Chemistry calculator, normal calculator for any chemist, compound intelligence, all the information that there is out there about every compound, and chemical intelligence, reaction intelligence. Any reaction, many compounds, we can predict, Vicena can predict what is the results or the products of that reaction. And also quantum chemistry. Now, with the Jupyter, with the notebook, with having the cloud computer integrated into it, it's more strong to do better quantum chemistry. There are going to be some new updates coming about this soon. Stay tuned. Next, while we are here, let's go to protocol design and protocol audit. This is another thing that is very cool. Protocol means recipes. If you cook, you need recipes. If you are in a lab, you need protocols. You need to step-by-step workflow of how to do your experiment. You design it, you write it down, and you want to carry it out so it's reproducible, so you can repeat it. The protocol design is something that protocol builder works like a Lego. You ask it for a protocol, and then it goes at different documents, reads step by step, breaks it down, and it puts it together and creates a very good protocol for you. So you can go ready to the lab. It has the equipment, it has the reagents, it has the materials and all of that and checklist. Protocol audit. Next step. You design your experiment. Now you want to test if this experiment works before going to the lab. How do we do that? Cool. We have a tool for it. I passed down this protocol to be audited so I can see if there is any flaws and revisions are needed in my protocol. And it created this protocol audit certificate. It gives you what it needs. It gives you what steps it went through and what workflow is. It gives you the materials, hardware, and operations. And it gives you everything that it went through and tests that it did. So you know exactly how it's done. And it gives you feedback. So you can iterate. Now you can pass this on to protocol builder to create a new version of protocol, and then you can audit it and so on and so forth. So you can save a lot of time, resources, materials before going to a lab, so you can make sure All the things are taken care of. There is no catastrophic failure that you can essentially fail to do before going to the lab. Of course, you need to use your own judgment. This is a tool, but you are the expert. So please use it with caution. While doing this side panel, I want to introduce you to the next thing, file systems. Now, Vicena has its own small, not so small, 10 gigabytes of like Dropbox, Google Drive internally baked into it. So everything that you upload, images, papers, documents, PDFs, CSVs, data files, it stays there so you can use it across different days. You can come back, reuse it, and such. And every artifact, every report that is created, it's saved. Here you see protocol audits. I have different protocol audits that I have done before, and it's here. I can go to a new chat, I can open this, and I can attach it to my chat. So I can continue my research. So research is not one session. We come in the morning, we work, we leave late at night. We want to record our work and come back and start again, not from scratch. Start where we left it. Next, what we were talking about, computer simulations. Now that Vicena has its own cloud computer, it can run simulations, CFD, out of the box. Here is the image. All these images, by the way, are generated by Vicena itself. Is not of the internet. So it can do CFD, it can do quantum chemistry, it can do quantum simulations or any other of that. It can install packages and it can run it. And it's not running on your computer, it's running in the cloud. Which means soon you won't need to even have your computer on and be at your computer to work. Soon, I'm just spilling some beans, it would work behind the scenes. Speaking of that, let's go back and see what Vicena cooked for us in 3D fractals. You look at it, looks like a, what do you call, fine art, modern art or something. But you see the power of this. I could go and do the work somewhere else and keep it running, and this would work for me behind the scene and keep doing the work.